Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're out in the garden and we're going to plant some brassicas. But first, before we do that, we have to flip a bed. Okay, this is my patty pan squash bed, and I'm going to remove the plants from it, and then I'm going to do my best to raise the soil level in it, and then finally we will plant the brassicas. Okay, the bed has been flipped and raised to my liking. I filled it with cardboard, recyclable cardboard, logs from Hurricane Debbie, so yard waste and soil. So now I'm going to, since my brassicas inside my greenhouse are getting leggy and not looking the best, I'm going to go ahead and plant them. This is a variety of cauliflower called Romanesca, and I'm going to put it over here. Container that it is planted in is biodegradable, so I'm going to just leave it in there and try to get the hole as deep as I can. And now we're just going to backfill. That's number one. We have another one here, and we're going to put this one right here. And we're going to backfill. Label there, and we're good to go. And on this side here, this is purple broccoli, and I have 4 of them, so I'm going to put them on this side. Making sure I put a lot of space between them. The plants will get big. Okay, we have those now. We have some more purple broccoli, different variety. So I'm going to plant them in the space of the previous ones. Looks like I have 2 at least to go in, so I'll plant them. Put that label there. This one that I'm going to plant is a purple cauliflower, and we're going to plant them along the third drip line. I think I'm going to put this one right here. And since it's only one, I'm going to put the label close to it. These are calabrese broccoli, and I'm going to plant them down here. Looks like I may have 3, possibly 4. Label there for now. Start right here. One in there. Another one here. Another one here. Okay, I don't think I have any more to plant. Oh, maybe one more. And we'll put this one down here. the other one as well. We'll put the label here. Okay, they're all planted, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the drip system and let them get watered in. I decided to do some harvesting off camera, and we have eggplant, we have long cowhorn peppers, we have bell peppers, we have jalapeno, and we have my favorite, Scotch bonnets. I didn't let them get red like I normally do. I just couldn't help myself. Overall, a decent harvest. So I want to thank you for coming along with me if you made it this far in the video. We did a lot of work out here today. We removed the old what were they, patty pan squash, and we filled the bed almost completely full. We did that by putting in cardboard, logs from downed trees from Hurricane Debbie, and some yard waste, and then finally topsoil. And what you didn't see on camera too much is I went ahead and added bone meal, blood meal, and a generic all-purpose fertilizer to the soil and rake that in. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. I know many of you have mentioned to me that my beds need more soil, and you are 100% right. So this is the first step of making sure that happens. So if you enjoyed the video, like I said, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.